How to safely shift from an IT field to malware analysis? I got this question multiple times from lots of people who are working right now in an administration or in SOC analysis, and they want to start learning malware analysis. And they always have this question, how I can safely shift from here to there? And I will answer this question in three parts. The first one, your experience, your years of experience in SOC analysis or administration doesn't count in malware analysis. It's not really important. The two fields are very different. I know in administration and SOC analysis, there is the culture of that to move from one step to the next, from administration to security, and from, let's say, low-level security to another level, or to network security. You need to spend some years in each step. In malware analysis, to move from administration to malware analysis, you don't have to stay in administration or in SOC for 2-3 years to switch to malware analysis. The connection between both is not that much. There's not so many things in common between this job and that job. Cybersecurity, general cybersecurity information or network knowledge will help you in both, but malware analysis is a bit different when it comes to the next steps after the basics. This is the first thing. The second part of the answer. Malware analysis is more a skill or an art. You need to learn the foundation and practice a lot. Practice every single day. There is so many malwares, there's so many crack me's, and their answers are there. There's so many malwares that there's a malware analysis reports for them to read and to test yourself. And that's what will make you actually learn the skill. It's more an art, it's a crafting art, and you really need to practice a lot. And when you are learning malware analysis, you need to focus on the foundation, not the tools. The tools are changing from time to time, and not the languages. If you're learning how to analyze a PHP malware, you'll be able to analyze a malware in PowerShell, or in Perl, or in Utuit, or in whatever the language. I don't know how to write code in PowerShell, but I know how to analyze a malware because it is not that complicated. Once you learn the foundation, it's easy to analyze a different malware. I will talk about the resources exactly in another video, but I want you to get that right. The third part, and it's very important, is that you need to change your mindset about learning malware analysis, about learning, about building your skills in an IT field. Administration and SOC, they rely so much on certifications and years of experience. To be able to work as an administrator, as an IT administrator for Linux, you need to have Red Hat certificates, or if you want to work in network, then Cisco, and you go with Cisco until you reach the level when you are working in security or network security. In malware analysis, it's not about that. Because it's a skill, it's more an art, you need to have something that shows your skills than certificates or years of experience. Once you learn malware analysis and you have practiced a lot, you could actually write a technical report about a malware analysis report for a famous malware like Emotet or Stuxnet or WannaCry or Bitya or whatever the malware is. Write a malware analysis report and show your work in LinkedIn and in a blog, in different places, even in conferences if you have something that's really interesting. If you like programming, then you can write a tool and show it as a way to prove your skills in malware analysis. So, in conclusion, you need to first start right now. You don't need to wait for a specific number of years in administration or in SOC. Second, you need to learn the foundation, right? The foundation, not the tools. Learn the foundation and practice a lot. The third thing, once you have practiced, once you learn the skill, then you need to write a malware analysis report or something that proves your skills. And this will make you outstand more when you're applying for a company. Not the certificates. This is not like the administration point of view. That's it for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.